Showing you a little tutorial on how I mix up my Simix to clean my HVAC unit. First thing I'm doing is I'm taking the Simix cleaner and I'm going to put it into this sprayer right here, which is called the Chapin Professional Multi-Use Sprayer, with settings on the top from 1 to 10 in order for your dilution ratios. I'm taking about 1/4 of a scoop. I'm going to put it in the Chapin, and then I'm going to dilute that with hot water. You can use cold water, but it dissolves faster with hot water. Here are the instructions for the sprayer. The sprayer also has a fan tip, or the fan tip is removable for direct stream. Now, I'm in the cleaner. It is important to clean the unit before putting on the coating. I like to see if I'm making it through, which I am, with the unit. I also will come from the other side. And that's how you clean it before you apply the Simix HVAC ceramic coating.